News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Despite the clouds, we were able to get into the upper 80s today, climbed to 89 degrees, and we picked up about a half an inch of rain. And that half an inch is stacked on top of 2 inches, 3 inches. Yeah, we've had a lot this month. 14 days into the month, and we've picked up over 8 inches of rain. And whenever you compare that to where we should be, we should be at about an inch and a half, so well above that seasonal average, and that just continues to add to the surplus, the big bucket that we've collected for the year. Right now, we're about 8 inches above where we should be for this point in the year. So it has been a soggy 2020 on top of all of the events that have happened, and unfortunately, more rain eventually is going to trickle in. I think that we're going to be mainly dry tomorrow. That's the good news. This pressure system will continue to flow to the south of us. I think our friends in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia are going to pick up the heaviest rain. But we're going to have some clouds and a few sprinkles not out of the question, especially out west. By 12 o'clock, I think we're all mostly cloudy. Some showers moving into western Maryland as we head into the late afternoon, early evening. And then as we head into the overnight hours, that's when we're going to get that chance to seeing some of that light rain trickle into the region. I think we'll see some of that flowing in through the start of your Sunday morning. So here's the hour-by-hour breakdown so that you can make plans. We're talking about being mainly dry for your Saturday morning. Temperatures in the mid-70s by the 9 o'clock hour. Green light for brunch to go and find a nice patio. Now, I'm not promising you sunlight because I think there's going to be very limited sunshine tomorrow, but temperatures aren't going to be too bad. It's going to be comfortable. We'll be near the 80-degree mark by 1 o'clock. Temperatures falling back into the 70s as we head into the evening. Sunday setup, it's going to see that low pressure system take a lift towards the north, and as it passes through, that's where we're going to get the chance to see showers. So we're keeping rain chances in the forecast throughout the day. Can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm or two. That's also going to help keep temperatures a little bit cooler. I think we're going to struggle to get into the upper 70s, 78 degrees the high. We're in the mid 80s for Monday and Tuesday, staying dry through Wednesday, and then rain chances unfortunately returning as we head towards Thursday and Friday. But we're watching the tropics, and it's been an active year and it's an active night. We got newly formed Tropical Storm Kyle off of the coastline. FYI, this was a low pressure system that flowed through our region, brought us some rain, went out over the waters of the Gulf Stream, and actually has transitioned to a tropical system. Wind sustained at 45 miles per hour, expecting it to stay out to sea. Really not going to be much of an impact to land at all, just going to create a little bit of wave action. Also watching Josephine, starting to try to organize a little bit better. Wind sustained at 45 miles per hour, so that is a little bit of strengthening, but this wind shear that it's going to encounter as it starts to lift towards the north, that's going to cause it to once again weaken again and eventually become a depression again.